So at Ektron, we make web content management software. So what that means is that we enable non-technical people to be able to update and manage the content on their website. We go beyond web content management these days, where we're managing the experience that people have. So when people come to the site, we know a lot about that user. So we can interact with that user, we can personalize the content, we can target content to the user based on where that user is coming from, what company they're visiting from. We can interact from an email campaign and know who this user is and start targeting content to those users. So who uses the software is essentially any larger company that realizes their website is their core way of generating leads. And so the buying nature has changed today, where people search online, they search on Google. And so in order to have them come to your site, you have to have a mountain of content. So with a content management system, you're able to create and manage that content. You need to make that content relevant, so search engine friendly. You need to have calls to actions so that those users will fill out something so that you ultimately generate a lead. We increase the odds of getting them to do something if we can target that user by knowing something about the user and serving them more relevant content to that user. So each user experience is actually different, tailored to them. How we figured out what to do is actually was an evolution. It started out first as just building an editor product, kind of like Microsoft Word, but inside of a web page. And it made it easy for users to update and change content onto their website. Then people asked us to do more. They wanted us to be able to check in, check out, manage the content, have the ability to have approval processes. And so it continued to grow. So a simple set of functions grew into more complex needs. And ultimately, we started servicing bigger clients. Today, we service the biggest client in the world, which is Walmart. And we deliver websites for them. But Walmart's needs are not that much different than most companies. They need to be able to push out content, make updates to the website at a very quick pace. They need to be able to target that content to the individuals that are coming to the website. They need to build online communities, and they need to be able to interact with social networking channels like Facebook and LinkedIn. And our technology allows them to do all those sorts of things to the web. So the web, if you think about it, is a digital strategy for customers. But it's not just the web. It's their email as well. And so how do you connect these different systems of experience, whether it be a CRM system, whether it be a analytics system or a market automation system, and have all the systems talk to each other? And Ektron delivers some technology, we call it Digital Experience Hub, that lets us connect to these systems. And so when somebody starts a conversation somewheres, the conversation can continue someplace else. So if somebody comes in and interacts on your call center and talks to them, that information typically gets into your CRM. We can talk to the CRM to say, do you know this user? And we can start personalize the content and start the conversation from where that user is. And that's what makes us uniquely different than a lot of our competitors in the marketplace.